Hello friends, welcome to in my online class. Today we teach about general science questions, most important questions. They are useful for you for different competitive exams. Now starts we study of science. Different type of question is starts. Question first, what is dermatology? What is dermatology? Study of what? Study of skin, study of cancer, study of insect. Our answer is study of skin. Study of skin is dermatology. Study of birds, ornithology. Study of cancer, oncology, and study of insects, entomology. Next, the fear of blood is called by. What is the fear of blood? Is caused by hydrophobia, acrophobia, hemophobia, cynophobia. Our answer is hemophobia. Hydrophobia, what is hemophobia? Fear of water. Acrophobia, fear of heights. Cynophobia, fear of dogs. Our answer is hemophobia. Next, question 3. Which acid is present in lemon? Option A, citric acid, tartric acid, malic acid, formic acid. Our answer is citric acid. Citric acid is present in lemon. Tartric acid found in tamarind. Malic acid found in apple. Formic acid is found in sting of ants. Next, question 4. Which disease is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A? Scurvy, rickets, beriberi, night blindness. Our answer is night blindness. Due to night blindness, vitamin A. Due to vitamin C, scurvy disease by lack of vitamin C. Rickets by lack of vitamin D. Beriberi by lack of vitamin B. Our answer night blindness. Actually beriberi is caused by lack of vitamin B1. Next question 5. What is the unit of power? Option A ohm, option B watt, option C hertz, option D Pascal. Unit of power watt. Ohms, the unit of resistance. Hertz, units of frequency. Pascal, unit of pressure. Unit of pressure is Pascal. Now next question is starts. Question 6. What are the suicide bag in the cell? Who is suicide bag in cell? Option A Golgi body, option B chloroplast, option C lysosome, option D ribosomes. Our answer is lysosome. Lysosome is called suicide bag of the cell. Lysosomes have very strong digestive enzymes which can digest or damage its own cell that caused the death of cell. Because this is lysosome are known as suicide bag of the cell. Golgi body or Golgi apparatus is known as traffic police of the cell. Chloroplast are the kitchen of the cell because it prepared food by the process of photosynthesis. Ribosome is the protein factory of the cell. Question 7. Dry ice. What is dry ice? Option A frozen water, option B liquid nitrogen, option C methane hydrate, option D solid form of carbon dioxide. Our answer is solid form of carbon dioxide. Next question 8. Ligaments connect a bone with. Option A bone, option B nerve, option C tendon, option D muscles. Our answer is bone. Ligament is the fibrous connective tissue that connects bones to bones. Ligament is connects bones to bones, so it is connect bones to bones. Next, question 9. Which gas is found maximum in the atmosphere? Option A oxygen, option B nitrogen, option C argon, option D carbon dioxides. The maximums in atmosphere is nitrogen. 78.09 nitrogen present in atmosphere and oxygen 20.95 is the second most abundant gas present in our atmosphere after nitrogen. The firstly nitrogen gas is maximum found in the atmosphere. Next question. Question 10. Plant that grow in salt water is called. Option A halophytes, option B thallophytes, option C hydrophytes, option D xerophytes. Our option halophytes. Mangrove plants grows in high salinity water. Therefore, mangrove is also called halophytes. What is thallophytes? Plants which no leaves, roots, or stems are called thallophytes. Algae, fungus, lichens, all these examples of thallophytes. Hydrophytes. What is hydrophytes? A plant that grow only in water is called hydrophytes. Water lily, duckweeds are example of hydrophytes. Xerophyte. Plants having thorny leaves and penetrating roots are classified by xerophytes. These types of plant grow in very hot and dry places such as deserts. Question 11. Which metals remain in liquid form under the normal temperature? Option A radium, option B uranium, option C zinc, option D mercury. Mercury is found in liquid form under normal conditions. Symbol of mercury is Hg. Atomic number is 80. Question 12. Name one non-metal which exists as liquid at room temperatures. Option A bromine, option B iodine, radon, hydrogen. Bromine is our answer. Then finally it is clear mercury is metal and bromine is non-metal. Symbol of bromine is bromine, Br. Atomic number is 35. Our answer is bromine. Bromine is a non-metal which is liquid in atomic temperature. Question 13. What is amnesia? Option A loss of smell, option B loss of balance, option C loss of memory. None of these. Our answer is loss of memory. Loss of smell is called anomsia. Question 14. Myopia is a disease. What is myopia? Option A blindness, option B short sightedness, option C long sightedness, all of the above. Our answer is short sightedness. What is myopia? Myopia is a short sightedness or near sightedness eye disease in the which conditions close object appear clearly but far one don't. Long sightedness is known as hypermetropia in which eye condition close object appear blurred but your vision is clearly when looking at things further away. Our answer is short sightedness is called myopia. Question 15. Which instrument is used to detect the purity of milk? Option A lactometer, option B hygrometer, option C manometer, sonometer. Our answer is lactometer. Question 16. Which acid is found in milk? Option A acetic acid, option B lactic acid, option C amino acid, option D pyruvic acid. Our answer is lactic acid. Lactic acid is found in milk. Due to milk convert into curd. Question 17. Which bacteria is responsible for converting milk into curd? Option A bacillus, haemophilus, micrococcus, lactobacillus. Option D is correct. Lactobacillus. Lactobacillus bacteria is convert milk into curd. When milk is heated to a temperature of 30 to 40 degrees Celsius, lactobacillus converts sugar or lactose into lactic acid which imparts sour taste to curd. Question 18. Which allotrope of carbon is used in making lead of pencil? Option A lithium, option B graphite, option C lead, option D charcoal. Our answer is graphite. Graphite is used for pencil, making pencil. Question 19. Cooking gas is a mixture of option A butane and propane, option B methane and ethylene, option C oxygen and carbon dioxide, option D carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Our answer is butane and propane. Next question 20. LPG stand for A. Low pressure gas, B. Light pressure gas, C. Liquefied petroleum gas, C. Lubricant petroleum gas. Our answer is C. Liquefied petroleum gas is called LPG. Liquefied petroleum gas. Liquid petroleum gas. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.